Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this shrimp spring roll bowl with peanut lime dressing. Okay, we're going to get started with this shrimp spring roll bowl. It's pretty much an Asian inspired shrimp salad with an amazing peanut lime dressing. The first thing we need to do is cook our shrimp. And the easiest way we can do that, this is a pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. So I'm just going to put them in a pot of simmering water, and the shrimp are going to cook so quickly. They're going to cook in like a few minutes, but you definitely don't want to overcook them, just until they turn pink and they're no longer translucent. They're already almost done. Okay, these are already done. I'm going to pull them from the pot with a slotted spoon back into this plate. Okay, we've got our shrimp to the side cooling. You could put it in some ice water if you wanted it to cool more quickly. But we've got some Napa cabbage. We bought a head of Napa cabbage and shredded it. And that is going to be the greens for our salad. I like Napa cabbage. It's nice and tender. So let's add the other, I'm going to add the other salad or vegetable components. I'm going to go ahead and put those in with the cabbage. I've got 4 scallions where we just chopped thinly the white and the light green parts. We've got 2 shredded carrots, and just be like me for ease and just buy pre-shredded carrots if you are wanting convenience. And 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. So now we're just going to toss all of this with our cabbage and make a mess. Let's assemble our salads. This recipe makes 6 servings. So I'm going to put some of the greens in this bowl. And then our shrimp is still a little hot, but it's okay. I'm going to add some shrimp to my bowl. And then I've got this peanut lime dressing, so let me tell you what's all in it. I've got the recipe right here. Let me just read it from the recipe because it actually is about 10 ingredients, but I'm telling you it's worth it. It's so good. It's got 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of liquid either stevia or Splenda, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And I added a couple tablespoons of water just to thin it out so it's more pourable. But this dressing is so good. So I'm going to drizzle some on my salad. And how good does that look? It's all of the components of a spring roll bowl, but in salad form. So let's get a bite. Look at how amazing and fresh that looks. This salad is so good. That dressing is, you're gonna want to drink it. It is so good. But anyway, be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.